Title: UK pops the Bubbly for NHS's Diamond Jubilee. TLDR. Hats off and cakes out, Brits. The UK is turning up the volume as they mark the 75th anniversary of the National Health Service, NHS. Amid a shower of well wishes from everyone, from royals to hospital janitors, the nation is reflecting on the past and contemplating the future of this beloved institution. The UK is throwing a massive party for a 75-year-old today. No, it's not your nan. It's the National Health Service, NHS. Launched into existence on July 5, 1948, by a Labour government reeling from the impacts of the Second World War, this big-hearted initiative was all about making sure that everybody could get their fair share of healthcare, free at the point of use. Royals, politicians, healthcare staff, patients, even the local pub's barman are joining in the birthday wishes, acknowledging the NHS's sterling service and voicing determination to keep this precious commodity going strong for future generations. But seriously, what would we do without it? Imagine having to pay for every doctor's visit, every bandage, every little blue pill. The celebration, however, is more than just a trip down memory lane, it's a moment for critical reflection. Amid the balloons, cakes, and heartfelt tributes, questions are hanging in the air like party streamers. What's next for the NHS? How will it navigate the choppy waters of the future in a world where healthcare challenges are growing more complex every day? Of course, the path ahead is fraught with challenges, from budget constraints to staff shortages and a global pandemic that's tested the service's resilience like never before. But hey, the NHS didn't get to its 75th birthday by backing down. It's faced crises before and come out stronger. So, as we lift our glasses to toast the NHS on its 75th birthday, it's important to remember that the journey isn't over. It's only just begun. After all, who said growing old means giving up? Certainly not the NHS. As we look forward to another 75 years of NHS, it's worth considering what we, as individuals and as a society, can do to ensure its survival. What sacrifices are we ready to make for the future of our healthcare? How can we be part of the solution? Now, tell us, do you think the NHS will be celebrating a century of service? What changes would you like to see in the future? Comment below and let's kickstart the conversation. Disclaimer: this article does not provide medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. The views and opinions mentioned in this article are not those of Turned Up News. The content provided is intended to provoke thought and engage in discussion about the National Health Service.